Hello everybody. Almost got my tongue tied there. How you doing? This is going to be one of these little random videos that I'm going to do. Directions to Buckingham Palace. And so, as you see over there, the closest tube station is Green Park, which is on the Victoria line and the Jubilee line. The Victoria is the light blue and the Jubilee is the silver, I believe, or grey kind of thing. There's a big event going on at the moment in London. But as you see, we're just going to walk through this park here and follow the directions of where to go. I'm walking through a big crowd. I can imagine normally it wouldn't be as busy as this park, but I'm on my way to Wembley to do one of my atmosphere videos, and let's just see if we can find Buckingham Palace quite comfortably. I'm going to drop a little plug here for what I do. I do videos of showing people around directions and places, but also I'm a children's songwriter, which is a bit of my work. And any of you dog fans, I'm sure that there's lots and lots of you. This is my dog song, and if you click the link below and check it out, and if you are a dog lover and you know people who are dog lovers as well. Oh, speaking of which, check out my video and pass it on to those you know and love, and you'll be doing me a great favour. And it's a nice little message I'm getting out there that a doggy needs love. Okay, let's just carry on. I do hope these crowds don't distract where I'm going. But on the other hand, it is quite a nice day. And a pleasant atmosphere.
Charity, that's right. That's not. Yeah, brilliant.
So I'm assuming we just carry straight on through this park, outside the main exit to Green Park. Ah, now through this gate looks promising.
Brass, yeah.
Can't beat a bit of greenery. Now then. This looks more promising. I remember coming here many years ago with my family, but it's a distant memory now and I've forgotten it all. So, really, I guess the both of us are seeing Buckingham Palace for the first time. Because I really was only a child when that happened. When we went with my massive family.
You're in a kind of a healthy middle there. It could go either way.
Oh, they've got it fun set. They've got it fun set. I think it's 510.
Try and stay in the or at least with somebody else from the end of the group. But if you get lost, we are heading to the finish.
So the finish is over there.
Well, as you see, we've come on the day of a run. But there you go. It took around about 6-7 minute walk to get here. Obviously, because we're cut off here, as you can see. But I'm sure that when you get here the next time, or you're here travelling, it won't be as so disruptive. We're being allowed to move through, but I think I'll stick where I'm going because I've got to get to Wembley. I'm caught in a human traffic jam at the moment. But there you go, a little rough guide to Buckingham Palace. You take it easy, yeah? I hope if you get over to London, have a good time, be safe. Keep your wits about you. And if you want to check out my channel, and it's nice to have you on board. You take care. See ya.
Thanks, mate. Enjoy the day, guys.